Out of springs, the farmer didn't stall. He clamped a screw with a small slit in a vise, pulled a piece of wire, and made his own. Set the wire's end in the slit to lock the start, keep the screw aligned, and turn with a steady hand while guiding the coil. Control tension for a consistent pitch. Advance slowly and stop at the length you need. Cut, deburr, and slide the spring off. For a different diameter, swap the screw. For a stiffer spring, use thicker wire. Simple, low cost, and handy for latches, supports, and quick repairs.